How to go to a specific worksheet based on image or by selecting an image. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this Excel tutorial for beginners, I'm going to show you how you can navigate through worksheets using image. Okay, now I have 4 worksheets here: dashboard, product, revenue and expense. And in my dashboard I have 3 cells here, cell B, D and F. Here I want to add 3 images and each will represent 3 worksheets. Once I click on that image, it will go to that worksheet. This is what we are going to do in this tutorial. Let's get started. First, let me clarify that I'm not going to use any VBA or any advanced technique here. I'm going to use built-in Excel features and you'll love it. First, let's insert our images, and I'm going to add images from the web. So click on insert and here picture drop down and online pictures. Okay, now click here Bing search, and now I'm going to find out a product icon. Okay, press enter and let's select this icon and click insert. Now press Ctrl and from here drag and resize. So this is the first image. Let's place it here. Now add a revenue icon, click on insert, pictures, and if you have any pictures on your device you can also upload that from here, but we do not want that. We want to add pictures from online. So I'm going to click here Bing image and search. Select this one. I don't want this part, so I'm going to delete this and select this and resize. Let's place it here. Now add another image for expense. Insert, pictures, online pictures. Let's select this one. So I have placed 3 pictures. Now select all 3 pictures and right click here size and properties. From here properties, move and size which cells. Select this one. Okay, now it will help you if you resize your cell, the image will also resize. Okay, so that's why I have selected that. Now select the first image, and this is our image for our product page. Okay, so once we click on this image we should be in product page. Okay, right click here and here select link, place in this document and select this product. So this is our product worksheet, and here in the cell reference this is cell A1. Okay, you can change the cell number from here if you want. I don't need it, so I'm not changing it. Okay, I'm just selecting the product page for this image. Click OK. Click anywhere in your worksheet. This part is done. You can see if I hover my mouse here, you can see the mouse cursor is changing. Now select the second image and right click, select link, and here this is the image for our revenue page. So I'm going to select this one and cell reference is cell A1 and click OK. Right click on the third image, select link, expense, click OK. Click anywhere in your worksheet. Now all these 3 images is linked to this 3 worksheet. Let's check it. Here if I click on this product image, you can see we are in the product page. if I click here in the revenue image, you can see we are in our revenue page. If I click here, and you can see we are in our expense page. So this is an excellent opportunity if you want to create a dashboard in Microsoft Excel, and it will also help you to look for a person's detail. Let's say you have your employee image, and if you click on the image, you will be redirected to a page where you have that employee details. So this is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.